There's a dad bike video. It's Friday. Thought I'd do a little bike video this week. So, little Finley, I say little now, he's nearly my height. My stepson Finley, he's got his cycling proficiency scheme thing going on the 17th of May. And then it come to our attention that he's not used any of his bikes since we moved to this house. Only very briefly, the bike behind me. So we're going to give it a once over. It needs a bloody good clean up. Like I said, he did use it briefly, so it seems to be okay. It needs a bloody good clean up. I think the chain needs a bit of a spruce up, because it seems to be sticking and a couple of links are clicking. But otherwise, good spruce up. Sort out the chain, see if the gears are fine, give the cables a quick lube up maybe, make sure the brakes are working okay, pump up the tyres, and it should be ready for his cycling proficiency. Oh, and his seat clamps are broken, so I've got to try and source one of those from somewhere in an emergency at 8:30 at night. Don't think it's going to work really, is it? Anyway, let's get cracking, let's get this sorted. In case you're wondering what bike it is as well, so it looks kind of funky. This is a Voodoo Zimba, which is a child's, teenager's 26-inch mountain bike from Halfords, which I bought second hand off Facebook Marketplace. Completely rebuilt it, re-greased all the bearings, sorted out the brakes. It was atrocious, and the paint on it was so faded. I sanded it all back, repainted it with some old paints I'd left lying around in my shed. And I come up with this colour scheme, and I chucked on a pair of Maxxis 26-inch tyres, tubed mind you, and yeah, it came out all right. But like I said, for the last couple of years, it's sat underneath a tarpaulin and in the shed, not being used. I think it's time we got it back going, ready for him. Let's get cracking, shall we? Oh, it's just bottom on there, so we're going to pop that link off. There's a little bit of play in the bottom bracket. Don't know whether I have that out yet or not. Probably not, because it's only going to be for a couple of days. And yeah, we'll get this sorted out, because yeah, it sounds like crap, and it's that as well, so I might have to have a look at that. Anyway, let's get that link off. There it is. Get that link off, have a look at the chain, see if I can find another link. Get the seat post clamp sorted out, because that is I might try to pop a nut on that. See if I can find a nut to pop on that. That'll be handy. Get the tyres a spruce up, because they're a bit of they're about as flat as a flat thing. But remember, they only have a flat on the bottom. First of all, let's pop this seat out quick. Yeah, lovely Joey. That to one side. Clamp off. See the old paint now? Yeah, it wasn't very good around the seat post, was it? But hey, it looks better than what it was. So let's sort that out. Chain off. Let's get my toolkit out. There we go. Bosh, link is off. Got the bits and bobs off I needed, but then realised I don't have any spare links. So what I've done is I've gone and robbed one of Lydia's chain off her Voodoo. It's not quite as new as that one, so I fitted a new one to that one when I've done the bike up for him, but it'll do the job. There's not much play in it. It seems okay, just a bit grubby and a bit dirty, but it will do Finley the job to get him through his cycling proficiency. And we all know that I've done this one a little while ago as well, because I've done a little video about that. So I neglected the bikes. So we'll whip the other one off, we'll offer them up, see how much I need to cut off this one, we'll pop a new one on Lydia's. Let's pop the other chain off. let's pop that off. See how much we need to pop off this, shall we? Hopefully none, so it would be handy, wouldn't it? Let's see if a new chain will make all the difference. Oh, look at that. Much better. Give that a quick lube. Put a bit of that on it. Put a bit of a muck off. Oh God, does this stuff smell good? Right, run that through the gears. Take my dirty gloves off. Happy days, look at that. Happy with that. I will get a new chain for it though once it's done, maybe at some point. But he's kind of outgrowing this bike as well. Anyway, seat next. So what I'm going to try and do, I'm going to need that through there with the washer. That on there, there's a washer. We might be able to get this back up and running again, which would be nice, wouldn't it? It's not quite a dropper post, I know, it's a quick release, but again, Finn doesn't use this often. Finn's not into biking as much as me. I haven't been for a little while actually. Just loosen it up just a little bit. I might have to give it a gentle love tap in a minute. There we go. Gentle love tap. It doesn't rip out the threads again. But things though, will it work? Happy days. That has worked. What? Seat done. Pump up the tyres. Bottom bracket I will leave for now. So I don't think it's going to throw itself anywhere at the moment. These are as flat as a flat thing. So watching me make all these boo-boos has got to be worth a subscribe at least. So if you aren't subscribed and you want to see more, I'll bleep that bit out. If you want to see more muck-ups, give us a nice little, give us a subscribe, and I promise you there'll be many more to come. Like this. So if you can hear the music in the background, hopefully you can't because copyright rules on it, bit of Hardy. It seems to have come into a bit of a country fest at the moment. Don't know why. We might have replaced the bloody tubes as well at this rate. Oh, there we go. The pump these up to 40. There we go. go. Do a bit more. 45. Done. Music's turned itself off again as well. Turn the stereo. Happy days. Boss, done. Woo-wee. Do the front, hopefully you can see me. I'll try and zoom in a bit. And we are done. Voila! Steering bearings are all good. Yeah, can't feel no crunching. No grinding on that front rear brake. No binding side. So yes, give it a quick clean up. Where's my spray? Silicone shine by Muck Off. Woo! Wonderful stuff this, it looks amazing. But what I do is I do this. Because you don't want to get this stuff on your brake discs. So what I do, little dab on there. You know how it goes. Little dab of that on the cloth, wipe it over, make it look nice and pretty. So I won't bore you whilst I go ahead and clean this. I hope this is recorded because my camera just seemed to have frozen and I wasn't happy. So I won't bore you anyway with the ins and outs of cleaning the bike. But remember, if you are enjoying the videos and you're not already subscribed, it doesn't cost anything. Just give us a subscribe. Do it. Click that bell icon. Get notified. To wish me luck getting this done. Anyway, see you all later. Adios amigos. Buenos noches. Goodbye.